Hey everyone, I'm designer Christian Siriano. We are here in Connecticut at my little modern escape. We are outside. This is the pool, obviously. It's a hot day. So the house is pretty new. It's kind of a contemporary spin on something that's mid-century and modern and clean and elegant, but I still wanted the house to feel warm and beautiful. I think you'll see that. So come on in. And you'll see Poppy. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. All right, so this is kind of outside from the pool, you know, into this main, beautiful living space. This is kind of our cozy hangout. There's a lot of places to sit. These are vintage casino chairs that I got in Paris years ago, reupholstered them. This is a really cool piece. This is a little stool from my new furniture collection, which I love. Everything is still like low and comfortable. There's no TV in this room. This is about just like hanging out with friends, having wine, white wine, not red, and you know, just having like a good conversation. What I love is the quick transition to the fabulous kitchen. It's such a special space for, you know, entertaining. A beautiful black soapstone. I love the marble stone because it's not lacquered, it's quite matte, so I think it's really beautiful in this space. And what I also love is that there's no upper cabinets. Everything is down below. I'm little, so that's easy for me. We've had it all. My mom's come and cooked dinner, my sister, my nephews. It's a really fun, like, kind of family space. I love also that the kitchen is so close to the dining room. And I love this room because it's just so open and also filled with some of my favorite things. These are vintage chairs that I found online that I love and reupholstered. I had to have this cabinet because it reminded me of the cabinet that comes to life in Beauty and the Beast, and it felt like almost like it was a dress, and maybe at night she comes to life and has a dance. The windows make you really feel like it's just indoor-outdoor living. And this isn't California, this is Connecticut. You know, New York's an hour away, so I love that everywhere you turn, you just like feel like you're outside. And you can see Poppy. She loves to come to this window and just stare, because she knows that she's outside playing and I'm in here working. Come on, let's go. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Good girl. Now we are in kind of our main bedroom, and I love this room so much because it's just so bright and light, and I feel like I wake up every morning to just green. And everything in here is vintage, which I also love. Woven textile pillows from Spain that I got. This is an old Moroccan rug that I got from the amazing people at ABC Carpet and Home in New York. Lamps that are thrifted. You know, it's just like a cool filled space with things that I love. And then you get to come out here, which is like the best part of this room, hang out here all day. But I love it out here. This is, you know, all glass, so nothing feels obstructed. You can see the trees, see the nature. This is just like a need from being in New York City all the time. You have to come out here and get a little escape. Right, Poppy? You love this place. This bathroom is bigger than my first apartment, so you have to see it. But I just love it because in the tub, you're actually literally floating in nature. You're here, there's no one around, there's no neighbors, it's all green, it's all glass. We take baths all the time because it just, you have to. You can't do this in New York. Thanks everybody for coming to hang out with me in Connecticut. This is my little escape. I hope you feel as inspired as I do when I'm here, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Say bye. Come on.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?